San, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, a friend in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Mark, for this vlog, for sure, ang mga manonood natin sa Where in Pampanga ay magiging excited na naman sila.
Yes, so I heard yung number one na chicken in the Middle East is nandito na.
And unlimited siya. So guys, if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so guys, this is the place. Ito yung pasok niyo dito. Ito yung makikita nyo. Napakaganda po. And it's very spacious and napakalinis po. Ready na yung table natin doon. Ayan, ayan. And of course, later on, titikman natin yung mga pagkain nila. Nga pala, every weekends, no? So meron tayong live singing with Chef May. Ayan, so meron tayong parang acoustic night. So if you go here on those days, you're gonna enjoy a cozy, dining experience dito sa Spice District.
So dito sa Spice District, syempre available din yung mga all-day breakfast natin. At the same time, with drinks na. So on our table, so meron tayo ditong tapsilog, meron din tayong tosilog na chicken, meron din tayo ditong noodles natin, meron tayong japchae and stir-fry noodles. At the same time, yung mga vegetables naman natin, meron tayo ditong Spice District salad. Available din dito is yung kanilang beef pares and syempre yung kanilang shawarma.
I-introduce ko naman yung kanilang mga main entrees. So, if you notice guys, on our table, meron tayong mga sizzling plate. So, meron tayong T-bone or porterhouse. Available dito yan. Salisbury steak, meron din dito. And isa sa mga, of course, hinahanap-hanap ng mga Angeleño is yung mga sisig natin. So, this one is a chicken sisig. And then, sa mga sandwiches natin, meron tayong hamburger, chicken burger, and yung hotdog sandwich. Now, dito tayo mag-focus guys because this is the original roasted fried chicken, number 1 in Middle East, now in Angeles City. Of course, may mga naghahanap pa rin ng mga flavored chicken. Available dito guys, meron tayong spicy buffalo, meron din tayong spicy roasted chicken, and then this one is yung kanilang barbecue chicken. So, ano pang ginagawa natin? Upo na tayo. So, once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. On our table, ano yung pinaka-excited ka dito?
Pinaka-excited ako, syempre yung roasted fried chicken. So, what is good thing here is yung kanilang roasted chicken, when they offer, meron na siyang unlimited rice, meron na rin siyang unlimited iced tea, at the same time meron siyang special dip and gravy. So that is only for 199 pesos.
199 pesos.
So talagang sulit na sulit siya.
Yes. And isa pa sa mga what differs it to other unlimited chicken, no? This one, it includes the entire chicken.
As in the whole chicken.
The whole chicken.
So kung gusto niyo ng breast,
ng thigh, ng drumstick, ng wings, it is available here. Cheese brother.
So available din pala yung kanilang mga drinks nila. So meron tayo ditong yung buko pandan nila.
This one's a gulaman, and this one is a chocolate flavor. So, let me start with the roasted chicken. Actually, gusto ko spicy.
Ako rin.
Spicy lover tayo.
Interesting yung spicy.
Wow.
Taste it.
So actually, I tasted it even without yung mga dips natin. Wow, very crispy, number 1. And itong spicy nila, just a word of caution, it is a little bit spicy.
Yung difference niya with the ordinary fried chicken, it is marinated with different kind of spices. So malalasan mo talaga even dun sa laman ng chicken.
Kumbaga, as soon as it enters your mouth, may maaamoy ka na iba talaga ng spices, no? I mean, imagine guys, this is unlimited for only 199 pesos. Now, if you go all in, meron silang tinatawag na all in for only 269 pesos.
It has unlimited roasted chicken, syempre. Meron din siyang unlimited rice, unlimited drinks, unlimited special dip, and yung kanilang side dishes.
Side dishes. So take note when you go here, every now and then yung side dishes nila nag-iiba-iba.
Yes.
Okay. Grabe. Nakisa pa lang tayo, sobrang enjoy na, no? So this one is barbecue chicken, ayan. sobrang nanunuot yung lasa. Up until dun sa pinaka-inner meat natin, sobrang lasa pa rin.
Siyempre ako nagtitikman ko nila kanilang. This is their buffalo wings.
So yun, good news guys. Now when you go here, you are with your kids and hindi naman sila masyadong into unlimited. So meron tayong mga a la carte dito, like this sandwiches right here.
Yeah.
So siguro, I wanna taste next is yung kanilang, ito, this one. I wanna taste. I got really interested here. So ito yung kanilang chicken burger. Imagine for only 129 pesos. Again, comparing it yung mga makukuha nyo dito, very, sulit na sulit, comparable talaga nila.
Ako gusto ko naman tikman syempre yung kanilang shawarma. So, something interesting kasi yung shawarma nila is may mga fries na naka-insert.
In Middle East, or yung mga Mediterranean talaga, what they put in sa carb is fries talaga. So, that's really authentic Middle East shawarma.
Interesting sa kanilang shawarma is yung pinaka-palaman niya, it is a roasted chicken din siya. Same time, meron din siya mga vegetables. So, napaka-authentic ng kanilang shawarma dito na parang nasa Middle East ka na.
Nasa Middle East ka na talaga. So, sabi nga ng owner natin kanina, yung mga OFW, for sure, they will appreciate this one. Para silang bumalik dun sa nakaraan nila, kung saan sila nagtrabaho. So I got really interested dito sa sisig nila. Ayan. So earlier we saw this one. This is sizzling. It's hot, smoky. Let's taste it, guys. So this time I wanna check their mga sizzling plate natin. For sure, yung mga Angeleños, dito rin yung mga hinahanap nila dito. So aside from, of course, yung mga food that you wanna explore, mga food from Middle East, Mediterranean, yung mga nakagisnan din natin mga sizzling plate, available dito yan. What I like about dun sa Salisbury, hindi tinitipid yung mga spices nila dito. Napakalasa, guys. A different kind of experience dun sa taste as soon as it enters your mouth.
So next to taste ko naman, syempre yung bagay na bagay sa mga ulan na panahon is yung kanilang beef pares.
Beef pares, wow! All-day breakfast meals are available here. You can actually order these all-day breakfast dito. For those of you who are stuck sa bahay or probably hindi makalabas ng office or work nila, they are available po sa Food Panda. And it's Papa. Ayan, so it's Papa at Food Panda. How's the beef, bro? This one's good.
Itong beef pares naman nila, itong malasa, at the same time, mas masarap ito, lalo na pag malamig yung panahon, tapos hihigop ka ng mainit na sabaw, the best.
I think one word na lagi natin binabanggit dito sa mga pagkain nila is sobrang lasa. Malasa, kakaibang lasa yung mga pagkain nila dito. Mga ibang food na hindi natin natingnan dun sa initial feature natin is itong stir fry noodles. So I wanna try this one. Ito naman titikman ko, guys. Sa mga ibang I would like to encourage din yung mga ibang content creators that are into food vlogging, mukbang. I think this is another option for you to check. No, it's extraordinary. It's above yung mga usual na kinakain natin because of the taste. At the same time, yung serving nila dito. I mean, come to think of it, guys, unlimited chicken. Sarap yung mukbang niya.
Siyempre nag-enjoy ako talaga doon sa kanilang original na roasted chicken. Because ito rin yung first time ko na makatikim ng ganitong klaseng mga fried chicken.
Actually, yeah. So there you have it, mga kabalen. If you're looking for a different experience for taste, available po yung unlimited chicken natin, yung the best fried chicken ng Middle East, which is a roasted chicken, available po dito sa Spice District.
Spice District is open from 10 a.m. until 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday, and it is located dito sa 5G building. So pinaka-landmark niya is yung Avon Bldg, and sa likod lang siya ng Museo ng Angeles.
Very accessible. So again, nasabi ko kanina, it's in the middle of Angeles City. So isa sa mga landmark din natin is yung Holy Rosary Church.
Yes.
Yan, okay.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs
Give it a thumbs up,
share
guys.
with your friends, and visit Spice District.
So again guys, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the food here. And thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys.